Let me show you how to change your name on Facebook. Now, if you're on the Facebook app and you wanted to change your first and last name, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you need to do, of course, is to open up the Facebook app or facebook.com, and we need to get to your settings. So you can see at the bottom right is tapping on menu, but keep in mind it might be at the top right depending on your specific device. Now from here, let's scroll down and get to your settings by opening up settings and privacy, and then settings at the very top. You'll be able to see in Account Center your personal details, including your name. So we can go in there and change your name for both Instagram as well as Facebook if they're linked, or just Facebook if they're not linked. So from here, let's tap See More in Account Center and then tap on Profiles. Of course, we're going to choose Facebook for this, and then we can get to the name. From here, we can update your first, middle, or last name. It does say if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days, and you can't have unusual capitalizations, punctuations, characters, or random words. I hope this helps. If it did, again, hit that subscribe button down below. It's the best way you can say thank you. Thank you.